Welcome back to the channel, and today we're taking a look at iBots, which this project has actually been around for quite a while now. I'm not sure why it's taken me this long to actually finally take a look at it, but it is a AI trading bot service that actually is through real revenue with variable profits, etc., depending on how the bots do. So before we get any further, remember the usual disclaimer here that nothing in this video is financial advice. Please always do your own research and only invest what you are willing to lose. So we can see iBots is the first Forex and crypto AI trading bot service project. It was generated with the goal of providing its users with passive income. So it's a pretty simple service. I've got a link down below if you are interested. So you create an account, make a deposit, then you need to generate a USDT deposit, send any amount you want, but the minimum deposit is $250. And then that's it. Then you start earning your passive income. You can withdraw your profit at any time. So I'm actually going to get started and go ahead and do a deposit. So of course, first you need to make an account. Then of course you generate a address. Copy address, we can see minimum deposit is 250. It might take up to 24 hours to set up your trading bots. There's a 1% maintenance fee every 30 days from the first deposit. We recommend you keep enough funds to pay the maintenance fee in the My Earnings tab. So this is USDT. You can do it through Tron or Binance Smart Chain. So I'm going to copy the address and go and send the USDT. So this deposit process, again, once you send the transaction, can take up to 24 hours. Mine went through pretty quickly, but I guess depending on how busy they are, etc., it could take different amounts of time. So we can see down below, type deposit approved, $250 and the date. So now my bot's value is $250, and I believe they have already, will start working for me and start earning funds. So if we take a look at some of the stats here, we actually have a calendar showing the profits over time. So I believe this ROI graph on the right hand side is showing that since November 21st, they've earned 13.72%, which I know compared to other crypto projects, it seems low, but this is actually real revenue. It's not Ponzi, it's not rug or anything. This is real revenue, which is what I like about iBots. So you can see in November, starting point November 21st, they did 0.35% that day, 0.5 the next day, etc. Then if we move into December, we've got some 0.18s. And again, these are real figures. I feel like a lot of other projects inflate stuff or might not be happening, but we actually know they're real, and we can see in the Discord, which I show through the proof of trades. But March alone is looking pretty good. They made 6.8% on the 9th of March, and then the 17th was 0.17. So again, they'll probably do updates maybe weekly or every few days if we get some news on iBots, documenting the process of this, because I do really like this project. So if we head into the other sections, we can see reports here. Will show my ROI, net profit, etc. And we'll go through some of the FAQs just so you guys know. So of course, iBots uses Forex and crypto AI trading bots. What sets them apart from different? This is actually real bots. And again, they've tested the bots for 15 months now. Lost money at the beginning because their experts had to find the best settings, etc. We tried hundreds of strategies before we got to the current strategies that we use right now, and our bots have not taken a loss in the past 10 months. So basically, what you get from us is our experience of researching and using those bots for many, many months. On top of that, your funds or profits are not locked. You can withdraw your capital / profits whenever you like. Also, another benefit of using our service is that you won't have to struggle to set up bots yourself. We know some people are not very familiar with the bot world and might struggle setting it up. So again, I feel like the main thing to set them aside is they do not depend on new investors. They depend on their bot's performance, which has been demonstrated for a long time. Second, we set up the bots and manage them for you, so we can make sure they stay profitable using their strategies. Third, they don't charge anything in advance before investors make a profit, which is very nice to see. There is a small maintenance fee after 30 days, but again, by that point, you're already in profit, so it's just a small payout of part of your profits. So what is the projected ROI? It's anticipated the bots will produce a stable monthly ROI that will range between 1 to 15%, depending on the current market conditions and volatility. You can withdraw rewards / compound whenever you want. It might take up to 24 hours for the withdraw/compound to show up because we need to attach/detach your investment from our bots. The rewards will be in the form of stablecoin USDT. Again, you can withdraw whenever you want. It can take up to 24 hours, etc. Minimum deposit again is $250. So that is what I went in with the min deposit. I think I'll see how iBots goes and maybe some other crypto projects. Maybe if, say, PGV, I can get some funds out, I might diversify and put more into iBots because, again, it's another project that is actually real revenue on this side of things, which sadly I think is quite rare in the crypto space. So yeah, we have the small maintenance fee and you can compound your earnings as well, but the minimum amount is $250, so bear that in mind. How often do you get paid? At the end of every day, we'll calculate the earnings from the closed deals positions and divide it between all of the investors. Some days you won't make anything, and some days might be enough to cover all of the previous days. What kind of bots are they? We use our customized strategy based on our parameters. The basic framework, however, is DCA integrated with market signals for both Forex and crypto trading bots. So DCA is dollar cost averaging. Forex bots, again, automate Forex trading. Is iBot sustainable? Yes, because again, it doesn't rely on new investors. It's 100% based on the bot performance. Again, a lot of other projects which basically Ponzonomics, you need to get in early. iBots has been around since November and I'm investing in it now, so I feel like you can kind of tell there. So will the team KYC/docs? They do plan to. They're still looking for the best way to do so. They've noticed that KYC didn't really stop other projects failing/rugging, even like FTX for example. So they've decided not to rush yet while they build their trust as investors' time goes on. And yeah, again, you can go through all of the other questions. The APY again is based on how the trading bots perform. So it's not as if they're inflating numbers, it is real, which I like. Again, in terms of the crypto world, the yield might not sound amazing, but I would rather earn 13% than on paper earn 10% a day and then just get rugged for a lot. So I feel like that kind of is the best kind of feature that I'm really happy with. So actually, I'll pull up the iBots Discord. I'll leave a link down below to it. In here, we can see some of the most recent announcements. So there was a post on the 16th. Hey everyone, markets today have been super volatile, as we've said a few times during this week that the upcoming days/weeks are packed with key economic events and high impact news. Therefore, they've turned off their GBP USD bot, and soon they will turn off their Euro USD bot as well after it closes the current running position. We will turn them back on later today. Yesterday, the bots finally ran a whole day, not just half a day, and managed to make 1.34% in profits. Stay safe if you plan to trade today. Have a wonderful day, iBots family. And again, I'm not too familiar with the whole Forex trading, but here we can actually see the trades, I do believe. And if you are, of course, into your Forex stuff, you'd be more happy with the details here. We have the bot results, which posts, of course, when the bots make profit over the days. So we can see March 17th was their 0.175% profit. March 16th, day before, was 0.37. Then March 15th was a very nice 1.384%. So yeah, the week of March 8th to 14th was actually 7% because they had that huge 6% day. Again, it's probably because a lot of trades closed that one specific day. Because of course, if trades don't close, the bot, well, you don't generate any profits unless the trade closes. Which some days you might not get paid anything because again, if the bot didn't make money, how can they pay you? It kind of puts into perspective a lot of, I guess, other crypto Ponzi-nomic features where set daily yield is not sustainable at all, pretty much. But yeah, I'll probably have another update on iBots maybe in a week. I'll do a document to see how it has been going. Again, didn't go in super heavy yet. Want to test out the platform first, and then of course I'll probably go in higher if things are looking pretty good. But yeah, I'll have a link down below. Make sure to check out iBots. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.